All right, welcome back, everybody. Time now for better fitness. You might not think about it that much, but stretching, I cannot stand to do. It's really important for your body, right?
Yeah, it's absolutely essential.
And Taylor Bidmead, a manager at Fitness Together in Rocky Hill, is here to show us some stretches that we can do at home with a belt or bands or things we might have laying around. I need all the help I can get with stretching.
You don't need high-tech equipment. That's the first thing, right?
No. So one of my favorite things to do is teach people how to do stretching with something like this, like an old belt.
An old belt. We got it right here. Okay.
If you have the equipment at home, you can use things like a yoga strap, or when we're in the studio, we use these really thick bands.
And you can buy these bands, right?
Yeah, they're not expensive.
Yeah.
All right. So
or even towels. Could you use towels, like a long enough towel?
Yeah, definitely. You can get very creative with it.
Okay.
So one of the first stretches I'll show you is a hamstring stretch. You're going to lay down on your back, and you're going to wrap it around your foot. And the important part to doing this stretch is to make sure that you keep the leg that you're not using down nice and straight, and you're going to pull straight back all the way up towards the ceiling.
Here I come, St. Francis.
Yeah.
I'm in a dress, so I can't demonstrate, darn
Yeah, so if you'd like, I can use this belt.
Okay.
Something that you have laying around. You can use a piece of rope, an old cord, and you just loop it through. And you're going to put it around your foot.
Oh, see, that's so smart.
Stretch.
And you get much further, obviously, because you can pull.
The next one that you can do is you can actually rotate your whole leg, especially for women. You have very strong balance muscles up in the hip. So you can rotate your entire leg clockwise and counterclockwise to get your inner and outer thighs.
Oh, very nice.
From here.
I like how it loops around like that. That's really great.
So you can grab it.
Now, Debbie, is this the right fashion belt to exercise with?
Any belt will do.
Because it's from like '98.
Yeah, right?
That's fine.
That's a way to repurpose that.
If it holds up your pants, it still works.
That's
perfect.
All right.
No, these are so hard, and we were saying stretching is so important, but most of us don't spend enough time doing it.
No, the next one you can do is you can actually bring your leg all the way down to the side.
I wish you could see how far we could go. Not quite. But see, with the belt, though, that's what gives you...
That's possible. You're holding yourself, because if you try and do this dead weight and your muscles aren't strong enough in your leg, your body will just slowly pull it to the floor. But here you can actually add some resistance and hold it till you're comfortable. Because stretching you don't want to hurt. You actually want it to feel like a nice light pull in the muscles so that you're getting the lactic acid out.
So should we go all the way down or just kind of stop
Go until you're comfortable. So when it starts to feel like it's pulling and you get that nice light little burn, then you just want to hold it there for anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds. And you do these in reps of 3, just like you do your exercises. So you come down and hold for 15 to 30 seconds, and then give that muscle a break, and then you can do it again.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Excellent. What else we got? Next
one is a quad stretch. So what I do is I teach people how to bring your foot underneath, and then you're going to flip over onto your stomach. And you're going to get a good quad stretch. This is for people especially who can't stand on one leg and reach back for their quad. They can use this belt and pull until it feels comfortable.
See, because I can't do that.
I can't get that either.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. And how long should we stretch? Should we stretch every day?
Yes. If you can do it in the morning, right when you wake up, that's really more desirable than doing it later in the day or after your workouts. Because what you want to do is you want to get your body up and ready to move, and you want to make sure that you make those tendons and ligaments really ready to go for the day, so they're nice and loose.
Isn't that interesting? Should I try one of those things?
Yeah, let's do it.
I have my backpacks on, but we'll see. So get down. I'll try
it's gonna feel so good.
I'll try this right here. And I'll grab...
I'm going to bring this around so it doesn't scuff your shoes.
Oh, don't worry about scuffing them. They're all... Okay.
Perfect.
And now up.
Yeah, so the trick to this is if you keep this leg down nice and straight, keep that knee to the floor, keep that hip down, and just go until your knee is nice and straight. Perfect. So if that's a good enough stretch, that's perfect right where you are.
Well, you have sort of a frozen look going on.
Your leg was like...
I do this a lot.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
I do this lots of times every day.
And it's never too late, right? Even if we're older and we're just starting these practices, like we can gain great flexibility. It's not too late. It's never too late.
All right, ready? You want to do the one for the real masochist. If you point your toes and bring your leg all the way this way, you're going to get the outside of your hip.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
It's right here.
Yeah, yep, perfect.
Okay.
Does it feel good?
It actually kind of does feel good.
Yeah, and then when you bring this leg down, what's really nice is you're elevating this above your heart, so it's helping draw the blood away. So when you bring it down, it'll actually feel a lot better than even while you're up and stretching.
Oh, really?
If you switch to the other leg. Yeah, you can feel the blood come back.
Do you feel, we have to do the other one, you feel off balance?
I think I'm good. Deb, I think I'm good.
What else can we do?
No, we only have 20 seconds left, unfortunately.
Oh no.
Hello, everyone.
You have to do both legs.
Oh, the positions I'm in. It's like the places you will go. Thanks,
That's
Taylor.
right.
We so appreciate you coming in.
Thank you for having me,
This
guys.
is awesome. All right, for more information, or to book a work. Would you read that, please? I can't.
Or to book a session with a personal trainer, head to fitnesstogether.com/Rocky Hill. Taylor and her team would love to help you out.
Yeah, the studio is located on New Britain Avenue right here in Rocky Hill.